Here we have the Nespresso coffee machine. To operate with it, make sure its wall switch is on. Then, make sure you load the tank with water. You can then press one of the buttons. They will start flashing. Once they stop flashing, the coffee machine is ready to use. Then, you can adjust this lever here having in mind the size of your coffee mug. Now that it's stopped flashing, you can load the capsule, then close the lever and press this button here for a small coffee or this button here for a longer coffee.